Wondering if the Nikon Z80 might be the ultimate camera you've been looking for? Well, today we're going deep into everything you need to know about this powerhouse of a mirrorless camera. From its groundbreaking sensor and advanced autofocus to its impressive video capabilities and overall performance, we're here to break down every feature, and by the end, you'll know if the Nikon Z80 is the perfect fit for you. So, let's kick things off with a quick overview of what the Nikon Z80 brings to the table. Nikon has positioned this model as a revolutionary addition to their lineup, and it's easy to see why. Right off the bat, the Z80 features a stunning 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, which, combined with an advanced image processing system, makes this camera ideal for anyone from enthusiastic amateurs to seasoned pros. The Z80 promises incredible image quality, speed, and a suite of professional features that make it one of the most versatile mirrorless options on the market. But what makes the Nikon Z80 truly stand out? Let's dive deeper into its key features, starting with the heart of this camera, the sensor. The Z80's 45-megapixel CMOS sensor isn't just about high resolution. It's built to capture extraordinary detail, with superior low-light performance and dynamic range that will make your images pop with color accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes at sunrise or capturing indoor scenes with limited lighting, the Z80 is designed to handle it all, delivering exceptional quality across a wide variety of scenarios. One of the most exciting features for action photographers is the next-generation autofocus system. This isn't just any autofocus. It's a highly intelligent, advanced subject tracking system that can lock onto fast-moving subjects with precision. Imagine shooting wildlife or fast-paced sports. This system keeps your subject in focus no matter how unpredictable their movements. So, whether you're at a soccer game, on a bustling city street, or photographing wildlife in motion, you'll get sharp, detailed shots every time. Now, let's talk video, because the Nikon Z80 is no slouch in that department either. This camera supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Think about that. 8K. That's professional-grade video quality right in your hands. With the Z80, you're not just limited to high-resolution photos. You can capture video with stunning detail, which is perfect for filmmakers and content creators looking to push the boundaries of their visual storytelling. For photographers who need speed, the Z80 doesn't disappoint. This camera can shoot continuously at 12 frames per second, and with its blackout-free viewfinder, you'll experience a seamless shooting experience, even in high-speed situations like sports photography or capturing fleeting moments at a wedding. No more missing the action. You can capture every second with confidence. Stabilization is another crucial area where the Z80 shines, thanks to its hybrid in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. This combines optical and digital stabilization to produce incredibly smooth footage and sharper images, even when you're shooting handheld or in low-light conditions. Whether you're working on a video project or taking stills, the stabilization on the Z80 minimizes camera shake and makes it easier to get crisp results without the need for a tripod. And the versatility of the hybrid IBIS doesn't end there. It works across stills, video, and even time-lapse modes, which means you'll spend less time worrying about stabilization in post-production and more time getting creative with your shots. This is a huge advantage for photographers and videographers who want maximum flexibility on the go. Let's move to the Speed 7 image processor that powers the Nikon Z80. This processor is all about speed and efficiency, delivering faster autofocus, improved burst shooting, and enhanced dynamic range. It's also key to reducing noise, which is especially helpful when you're shooting in low light. Combined with a 45-megapixel sensor, the Speed 7 processor ensures you get high-quality images with fine detail and minimal grain, even when pushing the camera to its limits. The Z80 also excels in dynamic scene capture. This means it can handle high-speed subjects with very little lag, keeping your shots sharp and precise. So if you're into high-energy photography, think sports, wildlife, or fast-moving events, you'll appreciate how responsive this camera is in fast-paced situations. Moving into video territory again, the Z80 offers impressive 4K capabilities. It supports 4K video recording at 120 frames per second, which allows for ultra-smooth footage, perfect for slow-motion shots. This versatility in video frame rates makes the Z80 a great tool for content creators who need high-quality, flexible options for professional video projects. Additionally, with 10-bit color depth in video mode, the Z80 delivers rich color reproduction and a broader tonal range. This level of color depth is essential for professional video editing and color grading, as it allows you to adjust colors and contrast without losing quality. So, if you're a videographer who loves to tweak and perfect every frame, you'll find the Z80 gives you the freedom to create stunning visuals. The video autofocus system on the Z80 is also worth mentioning. It's designed to track moving subjects seamlessly, which means you won't have to worry about losing focus on your subject while recording. Whether it's a person walking through a scene or a fast-moving object, the autofocus on the Z80 is reliable and smooth, adding to its appeal for videographers. In terms of market positioning, the Z80 is part of Nikon's broader strategy to offer options for both professionals and beginners. It sits above Nikon's entry-level Z50, providing more advanced features for those ready to step up, while still being accessible enough for enthusiasts who want to grow with a high-quality camera. This positioning makes it a strong competitor in the mirrorless market as Nikon continues to expand its reach across different customer segments. The design of the Z80 is a testament to Nikon's innovative approach in the mirrorless camera space. It's clear that they're pushing boundaries with each release, and the Z80 is no exception. From its robust build to its user-friendly interface, this camera feels like a leap forward in terms of both technology and design. It's a versatile tool that caters to the needs of photographers, videographers, and content creators, offering a range of features that push creative boundaries. And for those familiar with Nikon's legacy, the Z80 reflects a deep commitment to innovation. This camera is part of a new era for Nikon, one that blends the company's expertise in imaging with modern, forward-thinking technology. As Nikon continues to evolve, the Z80 is a clear signal that we can expect even more groundbreaking releases in the future. So, who is the Nikon Z80 really for? In short, it's perfect for serious photographers who want exceptional image quality, speed, and versatility, as well as videographers looking for high-resolution, professional-grade video options. It's a solid choice for anyone who values cutting-edge features and wants a reliable camera for a variety of creative projects. To sum it up, the Nikon Z80 is a top-tier mirrorless camera that combines high-resolution photography, advanced video capabilities, and user-friendly design. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for a camera that can keep up with your creative demands, the Z80 is definitely worth considering. It's an investment in quality, innovation, and, ultimately, the power to tell your visual stories with more clarity and impact than ever before. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more camera reviews and photography tips. And don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions about the Nikon Z80, or if you'd like to see more in-depth comparisons with other models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.